Instagram marketing do's and don'ts. Do's. Be consistent. Post consistently and on a predictable basis to keep your followers engaged and glued to your account. Try sticking to a content schedule if possible. Always use the link in your bio. You can't add links to your Instagram posts, so it is a good idea to always use your bio to share your landing page URLs and to remind people to click by adding a call to action in your posts. Ask questions. Asking questions of your followers is a great form of engagement. Doing so strengthens your customer relationships and makes your brand more likable. Engage with other brands. People enjoy watching competing brands engaging on Instagram. Simply comment, like, and share stuff from your competitors to create more branded conversations. Create a unique brand voice. It is important that you develop a unique voice for your account. This is the way your brand speaks on Instagram, and it will help you to differentiate your account from the rest. Share motivational stuff. Instagram users love motivational content. A motivational quote, image, or video about your brand will be enough to encourage users to share with their friends and followers. Use all available tools. Instagram has a lot of amazing tools that will help you take your brand to the next level. From its powerful image editing tools to its engaging video formats, you'll have a lot of fun trying every feature. Promote your Instagram account. You can add shortcuts to your Instagram profile as well as a feed of your Instagram content on your website to promote your Instagram account there as well as on other channels. Share relatable content. You can show a more casual side of your company by sharing content that is relatable, such as pictures of pets, your staff's favorite dishes, music, and humor. Try alternative engagement techniques. You can create stories using elements such as polls, quizzes, and questions to engage users in a different, fun, and relevant way that will keep them coming back for more. Don'ts. Don't overpost. Avoid posting too many times a day. It sounds like a good idea, but it can bore your audience, get you unfollowed, and create a reputation as spammer. Don't ghost your audience. On the other hand, it isn't a good idea to ghost your audience by not posting either. In fact, missing your regular posting frequency for a day or two can lower your relevance by a lot. Don't be salesy. Avoid using salesy language on Instagram. Don't use calls to action urging people to buy. Instead, encourage people to visit your product pages by offering an incentive. Don't share stock media. Never post stock images or videos on Instagram. Instagram users are put off by stock content because they're there to see content that shows your brand's authentic side. Don't share irrelevant content. Don't post content that isn't relevant to your audience. While you can share off-topic content that your followers will enjoy, you have to avoid sharing stuff that's too irrelevant. Don't overuse hashtags. You don't have to use all 30 allowed hashtags just because. Using too many hashtags will just make your captions look crowded and disorganized. Don't use auto-commenters. Instagram users can identify automated responses from a mile away. In fact, automated responses can cause people to dismiss your account as a spam account not worth their time. Don't buy followers and engagement. This is a strategy that fails every time because the Instagram algorithm is really good at identifying artificial engagement bought to inflate metrics, and it can only help you to make your account irrelevant. Don't argue with users. Social media users can be really mean and rude at times, but that doesn't mean that you have to reciprocate. Always reply professionally to rude comments no matter what. Don't steal content. If you'd like to share an image, video, caption, or quote that you think is cool, make sure to always ask for permission and to credit the original creator to keep your account in good standing.